Nice. Can you fit it in? No, but you know what? The guy, listen. This, the design. Yeah, they can make it custom. We'll make it.
Show us the car, Jamie. What's the coolest feature?
I'm scared. Show them, right? I'm Dave, by the way. I didn't know where the hell he was. I never remember. What? Good enough. Yeah. Yo.
Hey, can you guys say hi to my friend Kevin Wong?